All right, let's see if we can do a speed run of Archon. If that sounded soft, that's because it always sounded soft. That was some of the most impressive Apple II audio probably ever, and I'm sure they did various shenanigans to make it happen, and so the result was the volume is really low. Anyway, Archon. I'm going to accept all the default settings, playing with a joystick. Notice that there's no difficulty level, no high or low difficulty. This is it. So let's begin the battle. Okay, so for a speed run, what we're going to try to do is capture the blinking squares in the top, bottom, left, right, and center. The other way to win is to take all the opposing pieces, and every single one, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 pieces. Yes, I can count. So, taking 5 squares I think is faster than taking 18 pieces, so I'll start by grabbing the Phoenix, flying it to the center square. Then we'll see what it sends at me. So that was the Banshee. It is normally considered the opponent of the Phoenix. They both have these area attacks. Anyway, I grabbed an Archer to take that. So this is the classic battle. A Troll versus a Phoenix, because the Troll can't really do anything while you're on fire. All you gotta do is stay away from his strike while you're not on fire. So what I expect is going to happen is the Banshee is going to go to the Archer to try to take that bottom blinking square, which is a tough fight because the Archer is not exactly quick or strong, but we'll see what happens. Oh, something different. Okay. David versus Goliath here. I can't believe I even got one hit. I believe I got 2 hits. And that's about how it goes. But I've successfully weakened this dude enough. Now let's see what we can do. Let's teleport a Dahini. To a dragon. Let's see what we get. Love when this happens, then we get stuck. It's almost like a 1 megahertz 6502 is not the most bright thinking CPU out there. Alright, so now we're going to go for the win. I'm just going to try to kill or take their wizard on their magic square. Well, that was a speed run. And the game is ended. The light side wins. Okay, well, thanks for watching.